quarantine time right now, and there's no better time to make a pizza pie. I'm here with my assistant George. He's gonna be helping me make a couple pizza pies. All right, so we got an assortment of toppings here. We've got our low moisture mozzarella and our high moisture mozzarella. We've got Genoa salami. We've got a plain tomato sauce, and we've got a marinara that we've made, and some fresh basil and some fried garlic. Since it's quarantine time, you don't have to worry about your breath smelling bad because you gotta be 6 feet away, 6 feet, 2 meters away. So get in on the garlic. The first one we're gonna do is classic margarita. So we've got our plain tomato sauce. So this is just crushed tomatoes, salt and pepper. That's it. All right, this is our first pizza. Hey, what's up, Apu?
I'm coming upstairs. No.
And that's how you spend your quarantine time making some pizza pie.